Here's how I film my Amazon influencer videos for on-site commissions. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. So here's my process. I like to keep things super simple. First, you want to obviously have a product to film. And for this example, I'm gonna have my vertical ergonomic mouse here. Now, depending on the product, if I know about this product, if I know the specs, if I know the features, then I'll just get right into filming. If I don't know much about this product, what I will do is I will go onto Amazon, find the product, get on the product page, and I will jot down 3 to 5 bullet points of the product and the features. I usually jot down the bullet points on these tiny post-it note pads so that I can have them handy while I'm filming. So I don't write it on a big piece of paper or in a book or anything, because I'm usually going to be filming with one hand or holding the piece of paper and having the product, let's say, on a table or something like that. After I get the info on the product, then I literally just grab my cell phone, and depending on the product, I will film vertically or horizontally. It does depend on the product. If it's like a tall lampshade, then I'll go vertical. If it's a couch, I'm gonna go horizontal. So it does depend on the shape and size of the product. And then basically all I do is I don't do any crazy settings or anything on the video. I just go to video and I just start filming the product and I talk about it for 30 to 60 seconds. In the 30 to 60 seconds, I'm speaking very casually, almost if I'm describing this product to a friend. I'm not making it too professional and I'm not being too salesy or anything like that. I'm literally just describing the product in the most casual way. I'm wanting to be relatable and casual because the people on Amazon, in my opinion, don't want something that's too professionally done. They want to watch a review that seems relatable to them. So when I'm filming the video, if I make a mistake, I actually will go and do it again. Because it's only 30 seconds to a minute, I'm okay with starting over again. When I'm doing these YouTube videos, if I make a mistake, I do not start over again. I just say the sentence over again, and we just do a lot of editing to, make it nice and concentrate. But for these videos, because it's so short, I will just start over and I will keep going until I get it. And sometimes, it takes 3-4 times. I want to get this video in one go because I want to be able to upload it right after. So I don't want to have to be doing a bunch of edits afterwards. This is how I keep my process simple, is I don't do any video editing. I just film until I get it correct, and usually it's up to 3 times. I've done this so many times now that I can get it in 1 to 2 times. Pretty simple, right? I mean, I'm just using my iPhone. I'm casually talking about the product. I'm not trying too hard. I'm literally just describing the product, and then it's 30 seconds to a minute, sometimes more if there's more to say about the product, and then that's it. So once I do that, I'm done with that product, and then I move on to the next product. I like to film in batches, so I'll usually film in 3 product batches, 5, or 10, depending on how much time I have. Rarely do I ever do 1 because I'm already in that state of mind of filming. I don't want to just film it and then go and upload it right away. I'd rather do things in batches and get at least 3 done. So after I've got the batch of 3, 5, or 10, then I go and I upload all of them. They go up onto Amazon. I document the process accordingly on it's similar to like a spreadsheet, but it's called Airtable. And then I have my catalog of products. This whole process could take less than an hour, sometimes even less than half an hour. So my super simple way of doing Amazon influencer has yielded me $14,331 thus far. I'm averaging about $1,000 to $1,500 a month. So that is it. That is the super simple process that I use to film videos for the Amazon Influencer Program for the on-site commissions. I do have a course called The Profitable Reviewer where I go step by step on the entire process of how I got started, how I film the products, how I document the products, how I catalog everything, and my whole system to earning $1,500 a month with the program. If you're interested in that, head down to the description below as I will have a link to the Profitable Reviewer course. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.